Okay, in order to be compliant with OSHA 1910.178 and your forklifts in your facility, you want to be sure to conduct a daily forklift inspection. And you can see you simply write the forklift ID, what month it is, what year it is, put a check mark if the item passes, exit out if it does not. Here is a generic inspection record that you can screenshot or download or save and print. You can print out 6 of these double-sided to give you an entire year, because there's 1 month on this sheet, or print out 12 single-sided copies for an entire year. But basically it's sort of common sense items that you're checking for every day. The overhead guard, is it cracked, dented, or damaged? Inspect the mast, the forks, the carriage. Are they cracked, damaged, or bent? Inspect the hydraulic cylinders and hoses. Are they damaged? Are they leaking hydraulic oil? Inspect the wheels and tires. If you have pneumatic tires, are they flat? Are they properly aired up? Whether you have pneumatics or solid rubber tires, do you have good tread on them, or are they bald and coming apart? Check all your fluid levels, hydraulic oil, engine oil, coolant, etc. And if you have a forklift with a transmission that has a dipstick, you want to check that. Check batteries and battery cables, make sure they're not loose or corroded or rubbing on the frame or burnt. If you have a battery operated forklift, make sure all of the battery cells are full of distilled water to the proper level. Check belts and hoses. Make sure belts are not cracked. Make sure hoses are not leaking or rubbing on the frame. Check the fuel level. So if it's a propane forklift, is a propane tank full? Gasoline, diesel, do you have a full tank of fuel? Again, is your batteries fully charged? If it's battery operated, does the seat belt work? Does the forklift have an owner's manual on board? Does the horn work? Does the backup alarm work? Do the lights and gauges work? Does the steering work? Does the parking brake and service brakes work? Does the directional control work? Does it drive forward and backward? Do the hydraulics work? Raise the mast all the way up, all the way down, tilt it all the way forward, all the way backward. If you have side shift left, side shift right. And in regards to doing a closer inspection on the forks, they make fork wear gauges to inspect the thickness of the forks and to see if they're bent. And in regards to checking the chain to see if it's stretched out or worn, they make chain wear gauges as well. And what you would do if you found an oil leak or a flat tire or any other mechanical problem with the forklift, you'd want to tag it out and let your management team know about it and get it repaired as soon as possible. You don't want to drive an unsafe forklift. And you would simply write your name and date on your tag. I usually would write what the issue is with the forklift so other people know what's going on with it. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.